as a link between the fashion designers and the final consumers. It is something which enhances your sales strategies. It helps you to implement better techniques and better ways to enhance the product while you are selling it. It is basically what consumers see and what consumers feel and what consumers think. It's all from what they perceive out of products is all marketing. What is nowadays seen. A person who's buying even a toothpaste or a soap may not like it until unless a good marketing technique has been applied to it. I would like to mention this that Indian designers these days and even international designers, they all use good branding and good marketing techniques because nowadays it's all strong branding which works. So fashion marketing is a very nice and good subject, but it's not that established in India. But then it is all about marketing which students and what the new coming generation and the youth should look up and should learn. RMI is a really nice design college, and it has given a lot of exposure when it comes to your creativity. And I would like to say that this is one college which has made me learn as a person that nothing is impossible. You can achieve what all you want, and you can really do things which are really impossible and crazy when you come to implement your thoughts and ideas. I have been like a really not a really experimental student as of in school, but when I have been entered in this college, I have learned so many broad and good techniques of implementing my ideas, and it really makes you think in a very broader and a better manner. When it comes to fashion marketing, I would say I'm really fortunate to have a really nice faculty, and I am taught not just about the theoretical aspect. There is more of a subjective and a practical approach when it comes to marketing, because just learning the theory does not make you learn what the outside world offers you. And it's not just only about me, but all the students are really pushed into that zone, and they are forced to get out the best results out of themselves. When talking about my work, I did a project about fashion coordination promotion. It was a module in fashion marketing. In this project, I acted as a fashion coordinator for a fictitious brand called Selton. This is a brand which I created like 6 months ago, and I have been working on this for the past 6 months. And for this, I created a fashion show, and this is the invitation card for the fashion show which I made, which was for the brand Selton, and which had to come up with the new collection for Spring-Summer 2013. And it was followed by a lookbook. The lookbook had all the features about what the brand is and what the company shall offer to the consumers. Since I was acting as a designer for the company, so that's a brief about what are the aims and targets from me being the designer. Then that's the company profile. Then comes how did the Selton logo came up, and then what all does the company wants to achieve, and about its collection. That was street fashion versus couture fashion. The project report had all the detailed features about what the show is all about, what is the theme, and what will the collection emphasize on. This is the collection for my fashion show. That was inspired by street fashion. Then came about how am I going to enhance these looks. It was followed by the lighting on the ramp, then what music will be played, then what makeup will be done, followed by the hairstyle which will be done to the models, then accompanied by the accessories.